Okay, so let's get started. So this is Envato Elements. Envato Elements is a subscription that I have that offers a plethora amount of graphics, of stock videos, sound effects, music, any and everything for your video making heaven. It's been like a godsend to have this because I was paying top dollar for different services to find unique videos or video clips and music and other things in order for me to create. Now, I'm not an affiliate. I'm not advocating. I'm just letting you know as a solopreneur that we're trying to, save our bucks so we can keep as much as we can in our pocket and keep producing and creating because we're doing this alone. Or even as a newbie, having access to quality content you're going to learn is key to everything. So I highly recommend this if you can afford it. If not, we will venture and see Pixabay and Pexels. So that is absolutely, top option for those who don't want to spend the coins and need the free options. It's amazing. They're both amazing. And we'll go more in detail about that. The differences between them and why to choose one over the other, depending on the type of video you want to make. Okay, so let's get going. All right, and here we are on Pexels. Now, Pexel is, as it says, the best free stock photos, royalty-free image videos shared by creators. And it is pretty phenomenal. I love it. As far as people images and people doing stuff, this is the best. Pixabay, when we go there, you'll see their graphics are different. They're for like animated. They have a lot of futuristic, alternative type things. But for things like this, what you're seeing here, Pexels is the best. And this is from typing in Christmas. And these are the options that I have. This may or may not show up. We shall see. Okay, so here we are at Pixabay. Again, it's just like Pexels. It's free, stunning free images and royalty-free stocks. And as you can see or will see that the graphics are very, very, very different than Pexels. Pexels are people, are great for ads, great for marketing, great for when you need a person holding a laptop, sitting on a phone, hanging out with friends, things like that. But Pixabay is for this. As you can see below, pretty. They do have some people ones, but they're more very, very graphic-y, not necessarily real life. So you'll see like a person and in front of them is some weird tech thing out there, like with Bitcoin images and floating around. So it's very much like that. They have phenomenal fantasies. And between the two of them, my content is more compatible with Pixabay. So I come on Pixabay a lot. I know a lot about what they offer. I use it in my marketing, my content creation, my videos, books, and even my website, and of course meditation videos. Okay, so one of the questions that I get a lot is whether we attribute or not to attribute. Again, that is a question I get, and I will discuss that at the end of this video. So what will I do with this information? Stay tuned. Okay, and as you can see, I am now creating the video, and I am using my film editor, PowerDirector 365, and this is how it looks. And further along into the creation, as you can see, I am making progress, so we'll check back later. Okay, so just want you to see something while it goes from one video to another, and you will see that that was kind of a jerky transition. And the reason being is because I don't have a transition on there. And when it comes to videos like this that I want to look smooth and connected, I always add the transition called fade. And I will show you in a minute how it looks, or in a moment how it looks with the fade added. Okay, so I skipped ahead. What I went ahead and did was I added the row below. As you can see, there is music or sound that has been added, so I've gone ahead and added the music clips to the bottom. And now you're also going to see that I've also added my transition, so watch this very smooth transition. I love the fade. Fade is just my favorite, and if I want to get swanky at the beginning, I'll do something different. I might do it, I might not. You have to watch and see. Okay, so what I did was I created a video, a mini video, we'll call it 11 minutes long, and I went ahead and produced it, which I hope you understand what that means. That means you take all the clips, you make one mini movie. And what I do from there, because I want to make this 2-hour long, is that I now have an 11-minute movie or mini movie and clips, so I will just drag and drop it over and over again. So that's the end of the first one, and here I go, I'm dragging another one behind it to make it 22 minutes. And of course I will add my favorite transition to it to make it smooth. Oh, you don't see him. He's a surprise at the end. And there's the beginning. I added a quick intro, but I'm going to change that. I'm not keeping that intro, so it'll be a surprise. So what you do is, after you make it as long as you want, so if I'm going to make like a 5-hour video, I will drag and drop that probably till about an hour. Then I will produce it again, so I will have now a nice longer movie, so an hour worth of production, and then I will just drag it again down 5 times, and that'll give me 5 hours. So that's how you make it longer. That's the fastest, easiest way. I know other people stretch it or loop it. I don't like looping, but that's just me. I'd rather produce it for 5 hours. Okay, so let's just have a quick chat about quality content. I've purchased videos from Fiverr before, and unfortunately 9 times out of 10 when I do buy a meditation video from Fiverr, I'm lucky if I get 10 unique video clips on it, meaning that they will usually do about 6 of the same clip if I'm lucky, and then they will loop the same 2-minute music for 5 hours or however long it's going to be, and they would consider that worth $20. So if you're going to go ahead and set up an account on Fiverr or Upwork or wherever and offer this to customers, please consider offering something unique and of quality, being able to put in your description that you have over an hour or half an hour or whatever of unique video meditative clips, that you offer unique relaxing music, not the same one over and over. I would choose someone who offers something that's not just relaxing, because relaxation is also enjoying the visual as well, or else we wouldn't do a video, we would just do music. So if you're gonna go there, think about the quality of your content, think about offering something, promise them that is unique. Make sure they know that you're not giving them something you gave 10, 20 other people on YouTube, and I have run into that before too. So offer uniqueness, offer quality content of multiple clips, hour-long clips, half an hour-long unique clips, and just build your brand one step at a time. But if you start with quality, you build it faster. So just want to have a little chat about quality to you, someone who's been a consumer as well as a seller. All right, so the answer to the question on whether or not to attribute is always, always, always do it. Always do it, because the YouTube bots for some reason can pick up on when there's no attribution. You have in your description attribution honoring what you use with either royalty, commercial free, and or you have a commercial license like I do with Envato. This channel is all about supporting us who are out there looking for alternative ways to make money, to help ourselves, to help our families, to just truly contribute high quality content from a heart place. Namaste.